Welcome guys, welcome to ANKUR Science Show. Here today we'll discuss about the functions of progesterone hormone. Okay, before discussing the functions of progesterone hormone, we have to know the secretion of progesterone hormone. Okay, our previous video we have already discussed about the functions of estrogen hormone. So this video's link will be in description, so you can check out it. Okay, so let's start with the secretion of progesterone hormone. Okay, so we can start with the source of secretion. Okay, so in non-pregnant women, the progesterone or the small amount of progesterone is secreted by the theca internal cells, but theca internal cells of ovaries. Okay, in which phase? In the first half of menstrual cycle. Okay, the theca internal cells secreted the small amount of progesterone or the amount of progesterone. Okay, after that the large amount of progesterone is secreted where? By the corpus luteum in the latter half of each menstrual cycle. Okay, so we can define the phase. At first we can define this phase, we can call it follicular phase or follicular stage. Okay, and this phase where the large amount of progesterone is secreted, that is called secretory phase. Okay, okay, the large amount of progesterone is secreted by the corpus luteum in the latter half of each menstrual cycle. Okay, besides of that, the small amount of progesterone is secreted from the adrenal gland, that means adrenal cortex. Okay, so you can note it the point, that is a small amount of we can write it PH, progesterone hormone, is secreted from adrenal cortex. Okay, there are two parts of adrenal gland, adrenal cortex and adrenal medulla. Okay, we can discuss or we will discuss the adrenal gland in our next video. So there is the secretion of progesterone hormone, so you can note it. We have discussed in non-pregnant women. If in pregnant women the progesterone hormone, the large amount of progesterone hormone is secreted, the large amount of pH is secreted from same thing, that is called corpus luteum. After the degeneration of the corpus luteum, okay, in pregnancy, after the degeneration of corpus luteum, the progesterone hormone is secreted from the placenta. Okay, so placenta secretes the progesterone hormone during pregnancy. Okay, this is the point in pregnant women how the progesterone hormone is secreted. Okay. So guys, if we want to make a flow chart of secretion of the progesterone hormone, so this flow chart will be there like this: from pituitary. Okay, which hormone secretes? GnRH, gonadotropin releasing hormone. Okay, this GnRH also secretes what? Follicular stimulating hormone. Okay, see, this follicular stimulating hormone also secretes in the phase of ovulation this progesterone hormone. Okay, there are many pathways. Okay, this flowchart will be the rough value of the secretion of progesterone hormone. Okay, okay, mainly in the ovulation phase, follicle stimulating hormone is not necessary for the secretion of progesterone hormone. Pituitary gland also secretes. Other we can write this hypothalamus. Okay, hypothalamus secretes the GnRH, and after GnRH that comes to the pituitary, and pituitary secretes follicle stimulating hormone and luteinizing hormone. Okay, that means luteinizing hormone is very important for the secretion of progesterone hormone in the ovulation. Okay, because corpus luteum, the structure of corpus luteum, due to the secretion of luteinizing hormone, the corpus luteum disrupts. Okay, so luteinizing hormone is important to progesterone secretion of progesterone hormone. Okay, so this is the flow chart of secretion of progesterone hormone. So guys, here we can go through the our main topic today: functions of progesterone. Okay, progesterone is a which type of hormone? Steroid hormone. So progesterone hormone concerned, okay, progesterone hormone concerned mainly with the preparation of uterus in the case of pregnancy and the preparation of breast for lactation. Okay, so we can write that the progesterone hormone concerned mainly with what? Preparation of uterus. So guys, have a see the structure of female reproductive system. Okay, it is a very bad structure which have been done by me. So don't focus on the structure. Don't focus on the drawing of the structure. Just focus on my talk about that. Okay. So fallopian tube. This is called fallopian tube. Okay, and this is called femri. Okay, this is called femri, and this is the front of uterus. Okay, and ovary, and this area called ovary. Okay, this area also secretes the progesterone and estrogen hormone, both. Okay, ovary. So the function of progesterone hormones are, at first we can start with effects on what? Fallopian tube. Okay guys, effect on fallopian tube. What is the importance of progesterone hormone in the fallopian tube? Okay, so guys, this progesterone hormone will promotes the mucosa lining or increasing the mucosal cell in the fallopian tube. Okay, so progesterone hormone promotes the mucosal lining of the fallopian tubes. Okay, this will help for nutrition of the fertilized ovum. Okay, this is necessary for the fertilized ovum. So progesterone hormone promotes the mucosal lining of the fallopian tube, which is necessary for the nutrition of the fertilized ovum. Okay, when this ovum is in fallopian tube. Okay, I'm ready for the implantation. This point will be very important. Implantation. So, progesterone hormone is necessary for the implantation, before the implantation and after the implantation. Okay, this is the first point. So, our next point is effects on uterus. Okay, this portion, uterus. So, effects on uterus. Progesterone hormone promotes the secretory activities of the uterus, okay, or uterus lining cells, okay, that helps for the implantation of the fertilized ovum. Promotes the secretory activities of the what? Endometrium, a type of cell present in the lining of the uterus, okay, here, okay, endometrium. So, in which phase? In the secretory phase during menstrual cycle, okay, menstrual cycle. This is the effect on uterus, okay. This also helps the uterus for the implantation of fertilized ovum, okay. Write down it. So, there are other activities of progesterone hormone on uterus, okay, like this progesterone hormone also increases the uterine glands, okay, or increasing the epithelial cells of the endometrium, okay, and other will be the progesterone hormone promotes the deposition of fat or glycogen in the uterus or endometrium, okay. These all are the functions of progesterone hormone in which means in uterus. Okay. So here we will come to our third point. What? Effects on cervix. Okay. So the importance of progesterone hormone on the cervix is as the progesterone hormone. Okay, the progesterone hormone increases the lining of cells of cervix mucosa. Okay, so what? Increases, and thereby it inhibits the sperm transport to the uterus. Okay, so it increases, the progesterone hormone increases the lining of cervical mucosa, okay, mucosa cells, and thereby inhibits, okay, thereby inhibits the transport, okay, transport of sperms or sperm into what? Uterus, okay. This is the effect of progesterone hormone on cervix. Note down it. So guys, here we come to the our fourth point. Fourth or fifth? Fourth. Effect on mammary gland. We have already discussed that progesterone hormone concerned mainly with the breast for lactation, okay, and final preparation for uterus for the case of pregnancy. We have already discussed. So, effect on mammary glands. Progesterone hormone promotes the developments of lobules. What? Lobules and alveoli of which gland? Mammary glands. Okay. So it helps for the development. By which process? By proliferating. Okay. What is this? By proliferating and enlarging the alveolar cells. by proliferating and enlarging the alveolar cells. It also makes the makes the breasts. It also makes the breast. Okay. What? It also makes the breast secretory in nature. Secretory in nature. Okay. Secretory in nature. That means it already helps for the lactation. Okay. It already helps for the lactation. Secretory in nature. Okay. So we can discuss the effect, or we could discuss the effect on mammary glands of progesterone hormone. Okay. So that is all for today, guys. I hope you already enjoyed this video. So subscribe and thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Okay. Bye bye. Thank you.